To apply for the GEDWorks program, employees will go to their employer's GEDWorks login page. Every GEDWorks employer has their own customized enrollment page. In this case, we will use Taco Bell as an example. The first thing your employees will do is click on Sign Up. They will then add their email and password. They will need to make sure they follow the password requirements. They will then begin filling out their information to create a GED.com account. Here, employees will fill out their contact information. The phone number and email that the employee provides will be how their advisor communicates with them. It's important to provide current and accurate information. Employees will then select yes and verify their employer's name. Again, for this example, we'll be using Taco Bell. But depending on the employer, there might be a question about store location or employee ID. They will then see more information about GEDWorks, including a video. They must select yes at the bottom of the page and click Continue. They will have a few more questions that they'll need to answer. As a side note, we do have bilingual advisors that can help if requested. They will also be required to fill in their education background. That is all. The application is all done. Once approved, employees will receive an email with their next steps. Feel free to contact us at gedworks@ged.com if you have any questions.